In this video, we will review Derma Muse and see if it actually works. So as you can see, you can find them by going to dermamuse.co. It is actually the makeup that works with your skin and not against it. They have a buy one get one free promo. So some Reddit reviews for this particular product are mixed and depending on what Derma Muse is referring to. So for this, there's actually some actual options as well as mixed reviews regarding this. It's actually a makeup that can help you, as since they have the color changing foundation stick as well as this particular no makeup look options. So while these makeups are really looking good with great packaging and also a lot of skin types as well as a lot of benefits like vitamin E, peptides, and the likes, the efficacy of this particular product are not tested yet. However, there's actually some great reviews regarding this product, and here is some previews of how it would look like on your skin. You can head over to the Derma Muse themselves in order to find their products for the Korean foundations and likes. So see if it actually works for you and if it adapts to your skin. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.